Welcome to Management Made Simple.
Hi, I'm Anthony Francis. Now, as a leadership coach, I'm often asked, what are the 7 C's of communication? So, the 7 C's of communication are a set of principles that ensure effective and efficient communication when conveying information in either written or oral style. They are crucial in today's challenging business environment because they help in delivering clear, concise and impactful messages which are essential for successful interactions. So to help you make sense of them, here are the 7 C's of communication and why they are so important. Let's get into them. Number 1, clarity. Now, clarity ensures that the message is clear and easily understood. In the fast-paced business environments that we currently have, ambiguous messages can lead to misunderstandings, errors and wasted time, whereas clear communication helps to convey the exact information as needed. Number 2, conciseness. Now, conciseness keeps messages brief and to the point. With the constant influx of information, concise messages are more likely to be read and understood. It saves time and it avoids overwhelming the audience or individual with unnecessary details. Number 3, consistency. Now, consistency maintains a uniformity in the message. Consistent communication builds trust and reliability, whereas inconsistent messages can cause confusion and reduce the credibility of the information being conveyed. Number 4, completeness. Now, completeness provides all the necessary information. A complete message ensures that the audience it is intended for has all the information they need to understand and act on the communication. So this reduces the need for follow-up questions and potential misunderstandings. Number 5, concreteness. An unusual one, but this uses facts and figures. Concrete communication is more persuasive and less open to interpretation because it helps in making the message more vivid and easier to understand, which is crucial in the decision-making processes. Number 6, courtesy. Now, courtesy shows respect and consideration for the audience. Polite and respectful communication fosters a positive work environment and builds good relationships. It helps in reducing conflicts and enhances collaboration. And then finally, number 7, correctness. Now, correctness ensures that the message is free from errors and accurate. Now, accurate and error-free communication enhances the credibility and the professionalism of the message. Incorrect information can lead to mistakes, misunderstandings, and a loss of trust. So, as you can see in today's challenging business environment, these 7 C's of communication are essential because they help in navigating complex and dynamic situations. They also ensure that messages are understood as intended. They build trust and credibility and facilitate effective decision making and problem solving. So, in closing, by adhering to these principles, businesses can improve their internal and external communications, which leads to better outcomes and stronger relationships. Now, if you like videos like this, then click on the link and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload a new video.